Well, old Dad's back at it again, welding the frame together. Starting to grind off the ends there because I got to weld this plate. I'll weld that on there like that. I got this floor in there temporarily, but that's only to use for a big square. I'm using it like a big square and a level. So I'll bring you back when I'm done with the nose piece. I'm gonna make the nose piece that hooks onto the truck, and then this is all upside down. So I'm gonna take the wheels and the axle and flip it over upside down on there, weld it on, then we'll turn the whole thing over, be ready for paint, and then we can start making the bit. Okay, son. I'll bring you back in about well, it'll be just a second for you. All right. Did you get all that? You sure? Sure you got that? Okay. Well, Otis, I got the trailer frame is all welded and ground down. We got the shackles on there. All the welds are nice and ground, nice and strong. And I will bring you back once I get the last part of this welded. Then I can flip it over and we can start on the top, the dump bed, and that'll be the good part. Well, Otis, your old dad's into it today. I'll tell you, pretty deep. Here's what I've done. I'm trying to flip the trailer on its feet. I've welded this piece of square tubing right here to the frame. Just tack welded it now. I didn't do it too tough. And then inside that, I welded a pipe that I can rotate it on. Welded on top of my jack stands is another piece of bigger pipe. And I welded this handle on the end so I could turn it once it's up. Pick it up little by little, that side, then this side, then that side, then this side, until I get it high enough, then I can flip it over. All right, son, here goes the hairball try. I'm going to try it out. I got the jack on there, and I got my little turning thing. Now, I just got back from work, so I haven't done it all day, but I'm going to set up. I'm going to let you watch. I might have a catastrophe right now, or it could go great. So we'll see. All right. Back again. Trying to do. Whew, boy, now that was some tragedy narrowly averted. All right, I'll bring you back in a second. All right, Otis, I'm gonna give it one more little try here. All right, here it goes. Bring you back one more time, son. Woo! There was a violent crash at the end, but we got it. Thank you very much. Thank you. For my next act, I will... Alright, well, as you can see down below me, the trailer is now on its feet. So, next, we will be assembling the top section of the trailer, the dump section, which is the good part. So, all right, that's it for this video. Signing off.